Hello children, once again I'm here to teach you computers. So today we will be doing the chapter number 3 exercise. I know it's not yet completed. I will complete it within 1 or 2 days, but today let me give you the exercise so that you can start learning lesson number 3. So take out your book and a pencil in your hand. Now see here, this one, page number 41. Choose the correct answers. What is the changing appearance of a document called? That is formatting. Put a tick over here. Which of the following objects can be inserted in a Word document? Word art. Symbols and pictures is already there in the word art. So we can do here because it contains all the things. Then, which tab has command to work with header and footer? That is insert command. The column option is available on clicking the dash tab, that is layout tab. Done. Turn to the next page. Page number 42. Which of the following tabs contain the option of word art? That is insert. Next, which is the amount of vertical space between lines of text called? That is line spacing. That is line spacing. Now come to the fill in the blanks. Now here in the fill in the blanks, see, first one layout, second one page layout, again layout, review. Here layout or page setup, both you can write, both are correct. So you have to be very much firm in the when you learn the things, especially the fill in the blanks, because the answer are very common over here. To change the page margin, click the layout tab. The dash tab of MS Word is used for page formatting, that is page layout. The paragraph group is available on clicking the layout tab again. The editing group is available on clicking the dash tab, that is review. The columns option is available on clicking the layout, or you can write page setup, both, because first we will go to layout and then we will go to the page setup. So both you can write, both are correct. Then come to the true and false. State whether the following statements are true or false. In MS Word, the text can be arranged in 2 columns only. That is false. It can make more than 2 columns also. It is given there in the points given over there in the column setting. Word art is a text styling feature in MS Word. Yes, it's correct. True. MS Word has many ready-made shapes like stars, banners, callouts, connectors. That is true. Yesterday only we have read that. Again, this is repeated. The first one and this one. The first is repeated again in the D part. So make it false. MS Word places more space between paragraph than it does between the lines in a paragraph. That is false. So here we have finished off with our exercise. Now come to the question answers. Question answers are given in the book only. What is page formatting? What is page formatting? Here it is given. See, making changes to the setting of a page is called page formatting. Answer number 1. Did you got that? Now, question number 2 is, what is paragraph formatting? What is paragraph formatting? For this, you have to take out page number 33. Page number 33. The paragraph formatting feature of MS Word can be used to set the appearance of a text in a paragraph. That is answer number 2, which is given on page number 33. Page number 33. Then, what is line spacing? What is line spacing? It is given here. No, it's not given here. Page number 34. Page number 34. Line space is the amount of vertical space between the lines of text in a paragraph For example, some paragraph may be single line space or some double spaced. This is answer number 3. This is answer number 3. Page number 34. Answer number 2 is given on page number 33. This is answer number 2. And answer number 3 is given on page number 34. Then come to the next question. Write the steps to add word art in MS Word. That is given on page number 37. Page number 37. See here, word art is given. These are the steps. All 5 steps you have to write. The answer will start from here. The steps to insert word art are till here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the 5 lines or all the 5 points you have to write. No diagram, nothing you have to make. Only these 5 points. These are the steps of inserting a word art. Then come to the next part. Write the steps to use Format Painter to apply text formatting. For that you have to take out page number 24. That is given on page number 24. These are the 3 steps given. These are the 3 steps given for page number answer number E. It is given answer number E. Only these 3 steps you have to write on page number 24. Now the next one. How can you insert a page break in an MS Word document? Page number 30. Page number 30 you have to take out. Page number 30. This is one. Page number 30. Answer number F. You will start from 1 till 5 you have to write. From 1, first point, second point, third point. In third, either you write this or either you write this. Fourth point and fifth point. Till 5 you have to write. All 5 points are there in the answer number answer number F. Here we have finished the question answers and the exercise part of chapter number 3. In the next video, I will start with this one. I have explained till here. Word art I will explain you in the next video. Till then, start learning the exercises and the question answers. Thank you, children.